Hi guys, how's it going? It's Alratam Chaiki and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the end of the month and you'll know that we are consistent with investing on this channel. Every month end, when we can, we invest. So I deposited 4,000 this month and I usually deposit 3,000. That's what my salary affords me, but this month it's 4,000. A friend of mine owed me 3,000 and I deposited 2,000 into this account and I chowed 1,000. It's okay to let loose sometimes. And from my salary, I deposited 2,000 instead of 3,000 and I chowed 1,000 again. And to be honest, I wanted to buy clothes. That's what I did with the money. And I had a bit of cash this month, which I invested. It was 3.6. So in total, it's going to be 7.6 invested this month. And a lot of times I invest aggressively because I know that there are months where I will not be able to invest. So whenever I have money, I make sure to invest it. Also, because I suck a bit in saving, I invest a lot and save a little. Right now in my life, I only save 1,000 rands and invest 3,000. And by the way, my savings are very much taking, but topic for another day on how I managed to keep my savings going. So now let's start investing. The first holding I have is the S&P Infotech ETF, and I'm going to invest 285 with this one because it's not really about the number of shares with this one. I have it for growth, so I just put in any amount that just kind of makes sense to me. So I'm going to buy 285 worth of shares, and that gives me 10 shares, and I'm going to buy now. And the next company I have is Exaro, and I'm going to buy one share on this one. That's what I do for most of my individual companies. I just buy one share, especially those ones that their share prices are a bit high, like this one is over 100 rand. So I'm just going to buy one share. I'm going to put in 196 just so I can buy one share, and I'm going to buy now. And surprisingly, it doesn't give me one share, but we keep moving. Company I have is First Trend. One share is going for 78.93. I'm just going to buy one share and I'm going to buy 81 rands worth of shares just so I can have one share and don't be affected by volatility, because that's what happened with Exaro, and that gives me 1.00.92 shares. And the next one I have is Premier Group. I have 24 shares in this one, and it's going to pay dividends the next month, August years. It's going to pay a dividend of 2 rands and 20 shares paid dividend. And yeah, obviously tax is going to be involved, but I'm happy to take that 40 rands and go home. So I'm just going to buy one share and I'm going to buy now. And then I have Storage. It's a property company. And with this one, I'm really just looking to build it. It is my focus that the companies or ETFs that I know that are paying me the most dividends, I'm going to build them just so I can get it more of dividend income from them. So with this one, I'm just not going to buy one share. One share goes for 14 rands and 82 cents. So I just decided that every single month I'm going to buy 200 rands worth of shares just so that I can up my dividend income, and that gives me 14.81 shares. And the next company I have is Tungela. With this one, it's a thing of we just keep on holding and buying. So it hasn't really been performing the best, but if we look at the share price chart, in a month it has been up 8%, and then 3 months is down 6.97%. But in my portfolio it has been down less than or more than minus 15%, but I'm not really complaining about it because it is for dividend income. So I'm just going to buy one share at 125 rands. And yeah, with this one also, I'm just looking to build more of a dividend income on it. And that's it on my investments in the Easyequities ZAR account. I have 3,037 rands left, and I'm going to transfer it to my TFSA, and that's what I am currently doing. And I am 6,000 away from mixing up my TFSA. I've been waiting for this moment to come, and yeah, finally it's gonna happen very much soon. And honestly, I'm really proud of myself for being this consistent, because wow, it can really take a lot. So I just transferred that money into the TFSA account, and I'm going to do a separate video on investing in the TFSA account, and I'll also add on my dividends for July because your girl got some coins. It's a bit too much. I mean, it's almost 1,000 rand. So I'm going to share how much I have received in dividends on the weekend. So I will see you in my next video. Be sure to tune in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bells just so you get notified all the time when I post a video. See you in my next one. Bye.